Hey everyone! If you're going on a caravan holiday this summer, you might be staying in one of these. Thanks to Haven Marton Mere for letting us look around this bronze caravan here in their site in Blackpool. If you want to see what a silver holiday home or the holiday park looks like, click the links in the comments below. While you're there, let us know what you think of this video, and if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That helps us more than you know. So this is an ABI, the Summer House, a Haven Design exclusive. I'm super excited to show you around. Table and chairs as you walk in, but I instantly love the wraparound sofa. You've got lino running from the kitchen to the living area, so it's going to be easily kept clean while you're here. In the kitchen I can see a dishwasher. We'll check that out in a minute, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised. A large TV and electric fire with storage. The built-in sofa is huge, perfect for cozy family nights in. Heating boost for the chilly mornings or evenings. Bluetooth sound system as well. Bed linen is included in all grades of holiday home here at Haven, but if you need towels, you'll need to book gold grade or higher. For silver, bronze and silver caravans, you can hire a towel bundle for £20. Fridge and smaller freezer, clean. Storage cupboard with a brush and air if you wanted to do some washing or cleaning while you're here. Kettle, toaster, knives and forks, everything you need for your caravan holiday. The oven looks pretty clean as well. Wait, the grill trays do look new. The large windows do let a lot of light in. It's impossible not to get the summer vibes in the caravan. The curtains perfectly match the summer decoration. This has really surprised me. This holiday home has a telephone point. First time I've seen that. Let us know in the comments if you know why it could be here. More USB sockets. Let's check out the rest of the caravan. It's got 2 bedrooms, the main bedroom and a twin. There's only 1 shower in this holiday home as well, but there is an ensuite toilet. We'll come to that soon. Into the main bedroom. If you're visiting this caravan as a family of 4, this caravan is going to be ideal. I think there is an extra pull-out bed in the sofa area, but we haven't checked. More USB sockets. More storage in the main bedroom as well. A wee stool and makeup table to get ready at. We do have an ensuite toilet in the main bedroom, and it's actually quite big. In the comments, let us know if you've ever been on a caravan holiday, or if you're considering visiting a Haven Park in the future. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.